Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap Aliso Viejo local and long-distance movers near me. With our help for your long-distance move, you will find moving day runs smoothly. It doesn't matter if you're moving 100 miles away or 2,000 miles, we can help make moving simple. Our team provides all the necessary moving services and many extras, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, and transparent pricing. Finding the right California moving company for your local move might not seem so necessary. You might think you can just handle it on your own. While you can try, hiring a good moving crew will make moving day go much smoother. Our team takes the heavy lifting off your shoulders, and we save you a ton of time. With 3 movers, you get a team of movers ready to help on moving day. We streamline the entire process so you can settle into your new location faster. A move that might take you an entire weekend to complete, we complete in just a few hours. If you're ready to hire the top Aliso Viejo moving company, call us today. Our Aliso Viejo moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.